Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this JavaScript tutorial I will discuss about spread operator. And spread operator is very important thing. Okay, but before starting this video I want to ask you one question, that is, suppose if I make a MinStack full course and if I put this course price 3000 rupees, so how many people are interested to buy this course? Please write in comment. So now guys, I will start about spread operator. Okay, so guys, first of all, here I will write a variable, and the variable name I will write here a. Okay, and variable name you can write as per your choice. And now guys, for showing the spread operator, here I will create an array, and inside this array value I will put 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, so now guys, suppose here if I write var and another variable, that is b, equals to a, so what should be the output of a and also b? So I will first of all print in console. Okay, so console.log, and now first of all I will print the value of a. Okay, and again I will write console.log, and then I will print the value of b. So guys, just guess what it should be the output. So the a, you can see a's value is 10, 20, 30, 40. So the a should be the return output, this one. Okay, and here you can see I have taken another variable, that's name is b, and inside this b variable you can see I'm storing the value of a. That means inside this b variable I'm storing the same thing. So when I'm printing the value of b, so it should be the return output same thing. Okay, so first of all I will check it's returning the same output or not. Okay, so you can see I already opened console, and this is my project, and here you can see I have already opened console. Okay, so just I will refresh, and you can see I'm getting the value of a first of all, this one, and the same for b, because same thing I just assign inside an b, so I'm getting the output same thing. Okay, but guys, the difference is, suppose here in this b variable I have stored the value of a, and now guys, suppose if I write here a0 equals to 50. Okay, so a0 means, you can see I have written, if you don't know, I mean if you doesn't have much idea about array, so here just I will give you the brief idea. Array value start from 0. I mean here you can see, suppose if I ask you how many value I have passed inside this array, so if you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, actually not, here array index, we called it index, so index start from 0, so that means 10 index is, I mean position. Suppose if I ask you, that is, what is the position of 30, so you if you don't have any idea about array, so you will say that is 30's position is 3, because 10 is 1, 20 is 2, 30 is 3, but actually not. Actually array position start from 0, I mean 10 position is 0, 20 is 1, 30 is 2, 40 is 3. Okay, so that means here you can see an array sign using a square bracket. Okay, so same I have written square bracket, you can see, and the position 0, so this is position 0, so position 0, that means it's a 10. So in this position 0, now I have modified the value, that is 50. Okay, so now if I print console.log a, so first of all I will comment it, and just if I print only console.log a, so what should be the output? So it will be output same, or it will be output like this way. Here it will be output like 50. So I know you are guessed right, it will be output this one, because a 0 position value I have modified. First of all it was 10, but after modified it will be 50, so it will be 0 position, it will be 50, and after that 20, 30, 40, like this it will be the output this one. So let's see, so save, and if I refresh, so you can see the value a0 is modified, now it's returning the output is 50. So the same way if I modify 1 is 50, so that means it's a 0 and it's a 20, so 20 now will be changed to 50. So let's see the output and then it will be easy to understand. So you can see it's the change the value 50. So I'm changing the position of A, so now I will keep it 0. Okay, so I'm changing the position of A's position value, I'm changing, and here, so if I print the B's value, so what should be the output? B's value output will be the original array, or if I change this 50 0 position, so it will be written this, instead of 10 it will be written 50. What it should written, what you are thinking? So guys, I will save and just I will refresh, so you will find, so you can see it's returning 50 because here I change the position, that is A only, but it's changing the B values position. Okay, I mean it's reflecting the value B, so that time it use spread operator. So here you can see I have written that is where B equals to A. So without like only the variable, I have defined that is A's all the value I will assign inside and B. So here I have defined it like this way, but here I will define it using a spread operator. So the syntax of spread operator is square bracket and 3 dot and the value of A like this. So if I define the value of A like this, so that time it's a spread operator, that means just it will spread all the operator. So here if I write like this way, so it will not change. If after that if I write A0 equals to 50, that means just I'm changing the value of A, not B. I mean it will not detect B also. Okay, so that is the help of spread operator. So now if I save and if I refresh, so you can see B's value is the original value. So you can see B's value when I'm storing using spread operator A, so B's value is the original array value, but when I'm changing the A050, so that means it's changing the value only A. You can see that it's changing the value only A, and the B's value is same like the above, I mean the original array value. So by that we can do anything. Okay, so why we store the A's value in B? Because after that we can do something in this A array, so that's why we store the B original value of array value of A, that I'm storing B, and then we can change the something array A. But if it would detect B also, then it would be problem, but this is the help of spread operator. So I hope guys you have understand, and if you want to get more this type of video, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.